Hey guys, welcome to my messy closet. Now I get messages all the time from old customers that says, oh my gosh, I really need you to come and clean my closet out. So that's what we're going to do today, but we're going to do it to mine. And I have a lot of clothes that I had from the boutique or from when I was back in college because they were hand tailored and they held up really well and they were beautiful. And I was going to lose weight to get back into them. Well, I'm hitting the stage in life where weight is really hard to come off. So we're going to go through clothes, and my style's kind of changing too. And we're going to pull some pieces, and I'm probably going to make this into several things because you all need to do this with your closet. Because your style changes, the way you feel changes, your age, and I have been stalking other boutiques of women who are over 40, over 50, and they are fabulous, and they are trendy, and I have caught myself, since I've been at home, dressing like an old lady and frumpy, and my sweet blessing of a husband has kind of made little comments, nothing to be ugly about. He just makes fun of me and my moo-moos. But also, like, the stuff that I've picked out to buy has just made me look older. It's something I would have never worn when owning my boutique. And it's something I would never put a customer in. So why am I wearing it? So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to do a couple of episodes on this. So first thing first, I want you to pull anything that happens to be a bottom, whether it's jeans, shorts, a skirt, anything like that. I want that to be the very first thing that you pull. And if you have not worn them in over 2 years because they do not fit you, and you've said, I'm going to lose weight to fit back in them, pull them out, put them in the donate pile. If you're like, but no, I really don't want to get rid of them. I am determined to lose weight. I am determined to get back in that size. Or if you are one of those people that has thyroid issues and your weight fluctuates, pull them, put them by size, put them in an airtight bag, put them in a tote, and label them by size. So that's the first thing that I want you to do. And I'm going to start with that now.
We got more. We're done.
Okay, now that we have everything on the bed, we have a tote. Now, these are the stuff that I'm determined that I'm going to lose some weight because I'm just like 5 or 10 pounds from wearing them. I've just got hormone issues going on. So once we get that under control, I'll be able to put them back on. So these are the pieces that you don't want to get rid of. You're going to put them, but they don't fit. You're going to put them in the tote. And then right next is going to be the pile that we're going to either sell or donate. And let's get started.
So y'all, she is one thing in the maybe pile. Guess what? That's getting rid of. If it's in the maybe pile, that means that you're having to decide it and that you're probably never gonna wear it again.
Okay, but look at how much we cleaned up. All
So,
of this is what we're putting back in the closet. this tote right here, is all stuff that honestly, if I were to lose like 5 pounds, I can fit back in it. Just need to get these hormones into check. So
these we're set.
Okay. So that is for the pants. Now we're gonna go, oh, I forgot, this is gonna be several parts. So that's for the pants. The great thing about cleaning out your closet is you find things that you completely forgot that you have. There's a pair of navy cropped trousers that are still on trend right now that I haven't been able to find. I didn't know where they were. There was a pair of jeans that I completely forgot about. Now that we've cleaned out the bottoms, I found both of those. So that's a good thing about cleaning out your closet, is that you find things that you forgot that you have, or that you've been looking for them and you completely forgot about them because they're just kind of in a random spot. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go. And remember, the most beautiful thing that you will ever wear is a
Smile.
bye.